Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can log in to your Rockstar Social Club account. So in order to log in to your Rockstar Social Club account, the first thing you want to do is open your browser and search socialclub.rockstargames.com. The link will also be available down on the description box. Once you get to their website, you will have an interface like this. Here you will have two options, one to sign in and one to sign up. To log in to your Rockstar Social Club account, tap on the sign in button. Once you tap on the sign in button, you will land on an interface like this. Here you need to put in your credentials of your Rockstar Social Club accounts. So put in your email address, then put in your password, then tap on the sign in button. Once you tap on the sign in button, you'll need to do a small puzzle to verify that you're a real person. So tap on the verify button, then complete the puzzle. Once you complete the puzzle successfully, you'll log in to your Rockstar Social Club's account. Then you'll be sent directly to the Rockstar Social Club homepage. Now you can read the articles from Rockstar Games, go to the store and buy games you want to play, or download the Rockstar Games launcher, then download the games you want to play and enjoy playing them. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this was a helpful video. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another tutorial on some new information. Goodbye.